Habari Gani, what's the news? Umoja, what do that mean? Unity. So the first day of Kwanzaa represents Umoja, which represents unity. That means black people all around the world, all a part of the diaspora coming together in a sense to be collectively together, right? We are communal people. So meaning that we depend on one another. So everybody has a role in society. One thing that we have to do is respect and value one another. That's the thing. We gotta have different practices and methods that keeps us together and hold accountability. So when we light this first candle, which is the black candle, this represents African Americans, black, Native American, right? Original people of this world, aboriginals, all that. Everything started with us. We are the original contributors to civilization. Always remember that. So it's up to us to save this world. And when we, black people, come together and unify, we liberate the world. Peace. Happy Kwanzaa, family.